In the first tutorial, I help you to understand how to create a different entities, as you also know it, tables from database. So I have showed you to create student and teacher tables separately and how we can make or create a relationship in between them. Now in this tutorial I am going to teach you how to create NS managed object classes, and later on we will be creating the methods to save and fetch along with delete methods as well. Also, I'll tell you how to delete a separate or single student from table. So suppose there is 10 number of students data in the student entity, or let's say table. I want to help you to understand how to delete a single entity or column from the whole student table. That is very important topic, and many of the folks are really struggling with that. Okay, so be with me. I am going to start it. Yeah, so we have to select this student and teacher by clicking on shift, and you can select both. Now go to editor, this editor, and create, I mean, choose the option to create NS managed object subclass. Okay, after this it will ask you to choose the project name. Click on the next and just cross check whether student and teacher both are selected or not, and then click again on the next. Now it will ask you to choose the path. I'll just click on the create and it will be created. So folks, this is my data classes and properties. If you can see, teacher entity is already having lot of properties that we have defined inside the entity inside this core database framework. Okay, so this is my teacher entity and this is my properties of those entity. Okay, so we will be using this property to create and fetch and delete from the database, and this fetch request is going to be used for fetching the data from the core database. Subsequently, for student also it is same.